This example is for the behavior developing self and others at executive officer grade. It has been created using the guidance and example statements from the guide you can download with the link in the description. That guide provides clear advice on how to write your own statements and includes full examples across all behaviors. Now let's go through the statement together. As a senior sales associate at a retail company, I believe in the importance of continuous learning and development for both myself and my colleagues. This opening line is strong because it starts with belief, the B in the B star method. It sets a clear professional mindset and shows alignment with the behavior. Mentioning both personal and team development signals awareness beyond self-interest, which is important at EO level. Our store recently experienced a decline in customer satisfaction scores, indicating a gap in our customer service skills. This provides context for the situation. It's short, factual, and sets up a real problem to solve. Assessors like seeing measurable context, such as scores or data. To address this, I first identified specific areas where improvement was needed, such as handling customer complaints and product knowledge. Here, the task is introduced clearly. It shows initiative. The candidate is taking ownership and defining focus areas instead of waiting for direction. Recognizing my own need for development, I enrolled in a customer service excellence workshop. This training provided me with new strategies and techniques to enhance customer interactions. This is effective because it blends self-awareness with action. It shows accountability for learning and applies directly to the skill gap already described. The link between problem training and intended improvement is obvious, which makes the story flow logically. After completing the workshop, I set a goal to share my new knowledge with the team. I organized ahead a series of training sessions focused on the areas identified. This section begins the action stage. The candidate moves from individual learning to collective improvement, showing leadership and collaboration, both valued at EO level. Setting a clear goal also demonstrates planning and intent. I made these sessions interactive and practical, using role-playing scenarios to demonstrate effective techniques. This is a good example of detail that brings the action to life. It tells the reader exactly how the sessions worked and proves the person can design and deliver engaging learning. The use of interactive and practical also matches civil service values around inclusivity and participation. This approach not only helped the team understand the concepts, but also made the learning process engaging. A short, results-focused sentence that sums up the benefit of their approach. It connects back to impact, not just what they did, but why it mattered. Understanding the diversity of our team, I encouraged everyone to share their unique experiences and tips on handling customers. This line demonstrates inclusivity, which is always rewarded in civil service applications. It shows awareness of others' strengths and contributions. This helped create an inclusive environment where everyone felt valued and contributed to the collective learning. Here we see reinforcement of the inclusive theme. It ties back neatly to the behavior definition for developing self and others, which highlights creating an inclusive learning culture. Throughout the process, I regularly sought feedback from the team to improve the training sessions. This is excellent because it shows openness to feedback, something the guide stresses as a key indicator of professional development. It also implies adaptability and reflective practice. I adjusted the content based on their suggestions, ensuring it remained relevant and effective. This adds evidence of responsiveness. Adjusting based on feedback shows the candidate doesn't just collect input, they act on it. As a result, our customer satisfaction scores improved by 20% over the next quarter. This is a strong, measurable outcome. Numbers give credibility and help assessors see clear impact. The 20% figure makes the improvement concrete. This experience reinforced my belief in the importance of continuous development and the value of fostering an inclusive learning environment. The statement closes by returning to belief, creating a full circle. It ends with reflection, which demonstrates maturity and learning from experience in a hallmark of higher level thinking. If you want the full set of guidance and example statements this has been built from, use the link in the description to download the guide. It will help you shape your own statements with confidence. And that is the end of this video. I hope you find it helpful in your job application. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more application help. Thank you and goodbye.